How to add Visa gift card to DHgate account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add Visa gift card to DHgate account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the DHgate application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to add Visa gift card to DHgate account, you need to have a few items in your cart. So, make sure you have items in your cart, and if not, then go ahead and add items on your cart. Once added, tap on your cart and further tap on the checkout button. You will then be asked to fill in your shipping address. Firstly, so go ahead and fill in your shipping address correctly, as this is important. Once added, you will see the payment method tab. Tap on the add a new card option and further enter your Visa gift card details, that is your card number, expiration date, and CVV, and tap on the save and confirm button, and with this your Visa gift card will be added successfully. So, this is how you can add Visa gift card to DHgate. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.